What's up YouTube? Today I want to make a quick video. I brought a Galaxy S8 and I usually buy them in eBay or I buy them in Amazon, stuff like that. But this time I looked through my company, the one I have the cell phone for, I have Sprint, and their prices for pre-owned phones are pretty much the same price. You find them in eBay and stuff like that. Just I think it's a bit cheaper. Well, I'm gonna unbox Galaxy S8. Check it out. So they come in box with your invoice, packed pretty well. And as you see, is a pre-owned Galaxy S8. You can see. Comes in a white box. It does not come with the original box. Nice little box. Has a little tape. Take the tape off. Okay. It comes just like this. $90 day limited warranty. Comes with your cable, your SD card, and the wall charger. That's it. And as you can see, it is in very mint condition. I don't see all the corners. And sometime I paid $288. And other places they're more expensive. Sometimes they got scratches. So if I was you, I look first at your companies, see what phones they have pre-owned, because these are basically the phones that people lease and bring them back. But as you can see, it's in very good condition, excellent condition. Well, I just want to let it out there because I was one of them that always brought phones from third parties, and now I realize that they're cheaper for the company. Well, hopefully this is helpful. Like and subscribe. Thank you.